watching over us tonight. Before my dreams take me away, I kneel beside my bed and pray for all the children in the dark. Till tomorrow, twinkle, little star. Promise me you'll twinkle, little star.